Hey guys, Tony here. Just updating you all on the very first play that we did with that breakout strategy that I taught you guys. It was for Nike, it was for month out calls. Currently, we are up about 89% of these calls. My price target is going to be 164. I think for the most part, I am going to be taking out, because I only bought 3 calls, I will be cashing out everything at 164 at that price tag. And then I will be looking at other ones. I actually went into the current breakout strategy calls that I'm in are for Nike, Apple. I actually bought Costco this morning, and I also bought DocuSign. I did buy what is it called? Some Microsoft ones, but that was for like that was for a little bit further out, and I actually sold today because I needed the money for something else. But I sold with about like $100-$200 profit on that one. But as far as the initial breakout strategy right now, the first one right now seems like it's working pretty well. And all we're doing right now is basically moving forward. These are going to be closed out as soon as Nike hits 164, if it does hit 164, because we need to play this breakout strategy, basically exactly following the strategy, right? So I will be looking at Nike, hopefully to hit 164 sometime this week, and also following up on the Apple calls that I have for the breakout strategy, and also for the DocuSign and Costco calls that I have for the breakout strategy. I do also have CCIV and CHPT calls, but those calls I actually messed up on because I didn't buy them with the candle being over the previous relative high, which was my fault. So those, the CCIV and CHP, I'm going to be looking at getting out minimum at break even. So I want to get out of those immediately as possible, because I didn't follow strategy on those, and I just kind of bought those just to buy it, and I didn't really look at the TA. But so far right now, Nike, Apple, Costco, and DocuSign are all really are all the main 4 plays that I'm currently in using that breakout strategy that we're testing right now. Not testing, but that I'm showing live as an actual example, and you guys can see it here playing out. So we're looking for Nike 164. Hopefully it hits sometime this week, and then we'll kind of go from there. But again, remember, we do buy these hoping that they hit within a month. So after about 3 weeks or so, if it doesn't play out, that's when you have to start looking into possibly getting out of your position. But so far right now, Nike seems like it's playing out relatively well, and we'll kind of go from here. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day, guys. Bye.